Okay. So now that you have access to the account, you scroll down, you see word 365. Is that what you're seeing at your end?
Yes.
So click on it, just as I've done here.
Okay.
So now you will see practice exams, right?
Yes.
At the top. Then we have study guide. Then when you go all the way down, we have quizzes, skill review 1, skill review 2, and skill review 3. Correct?
Yes.
But the skill review 1 and 1, 2, and 3, I've taken you guys through it. So you are okay with that. So this is where we start preparing for the actual certification exam. So with
Okay.
the practice exam 1, click on start.
Okay.
Okay. So under start, you would have an option to select new test. Do you see new test?
Mm. Like
This
when I click that.
when you click on start, what do you see? You should see this language English. The mode is testing. So you change
Yes.
the mode from testing to training.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes.
So for the training, it's not time bound and it will
Okay.
help you go through step by step, step by step, step by step. Is that okay?
Yes.
So once you select training, click on start test. Then you see download test.
Okay.
Have you seen?
It's loading.
It's loading. Okay.
Yes.
So once it's downloading, then you click on what? Continue. Does that
Okay.
make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So that is we are all on the same page.
Yes.
So tell me what you see at your end.
It's opening another.
Okay. So you should see something like this on your screen. We have the Microsoft application on top and the questions beneath it.
Okay.
Have you seen it? Do you have the same thing on your system?
It's loading.
Okay. So let's wait for it. Let me know when it's downloading, okay?
Yes.
It shouldn't take too long to load. Is it done?
It says preparing practices.
Okay, okay. Give it some time. And I believe you have enough internet bundle.
Yes.
Okay, then that's good. It's still loading?
Yes.
Okay. It shouldn't take this long. Okay. It's still loading.
Um, oh,
Come again?
it's it's still open.
But do you see what's on my screen? Are you seeing the same thing? Or it's just blue?
I see. some parts, but the word like the word part is blank.
The word part is blank.
Yeah.
But the question, you have the question, right?
Is that
Do you see the question?
no?
Okay, close the Gmatrix application and sign in to the account again. You are
Okay.
using Duke's account, right?
Yeah.
Aha, so let Duke sign into his Gmatrix account again. Then this time around, you should find resume test when you sign in again.
Okay.
So do that and let's see if it's going to work. So we should have something like what you see on my screen. Okay. So let me just wait for you. Let me just wait for you to get to that point. So maybe we can schedule by 31st of this month, then you take your first official certification exams with Microsoft. And I know you do well. You've put in a lot of work. Okay. Let me know when it opens, okay?
Okay.
And very soon your dad will also join because he was looking at becoming a business analyst or data analyst of some sort. So I'll just be guiding him through that.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can resume. Have you been able to sign in? Not yet.
Yes.
Okay. So at the top, you should find resume. You don't need to start a new test.
Okay.
Do you see resume test?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. We'll get there.
Okay.
Are you having issues with the login?
Yes.
So it's your Gmail address and the password I gave you earlier, but in
Okay.
lowercase.
Okay.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
So do you see resume test at the top?
Yes.
So please click on it. Because I just want to make sure that it's working. So once it's working, then I can leave you to work on it. Then you just send me your report that, oh, you've done practice exam one. This is the result. These are the issues I've found with the test. Then
Okay.
we will meet to discuss all the issues, then relate it to how you can use it for school and even for work. Okay?
Okay.
It's still opening.
It's preparing practice.
Preparing practice test. Okay.
Yeah.
It shouldn't take that long. Oh, is it the network?
No, it's not a network. I think it's the laptop.
Is the laptop?
Yeah, it's slow, so sometimes.
Yeah, okay, I understand. Okay. So you let me share my screen because I don't want us to waste time on this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll take you through this. Then when it's finally up and running, then you can continue from there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have our overview. Okay.
Okay.
So the overview section is saying that you are editing an educational handout about guitars for the Museum of what? Musical Instrument. And that is what we're doing. Okay.
Okay.
So we click on task one. So let me explain how this works. And because we are doing this under training mode, if you're solving a task and you're confused and you don't know what to do, you see the help feature, that small bulb at the bottom right. Have you seen where my mouse is?
Yeah.
So once you click on the help, it will show you, you go to your extreme right, you can see a scroll bar where you can what? Scroll through. It will give you the steps. Is that
Oh,
okay?
yeah.
But I don't want you to solve this using the steps because you already know your way around the application. But if you need it, you click on the help, it gives you the steps.
Okay.
Okay. So on the second page, in the last sentence of the third paragraph, hyperlink the word OUD to the bookmark OUD. So how do I hyperlink? How do I even find the word OUD? What is the process? What is the step? Yes.
Um. Control F.
Control F to bring my navigation pane. Okay. So Control F and then OUD. Okay. So I found OUD,
Yeah.
right? But they
Yeah.
said the OUD in the last sentence of the third paragraph. So I have about 7 different results for OUD, but I'll need to locate the one on the second page, which is in the last sentence. So the second page in the last sentence of the third paragraph. So second page, paragraph one, paragraph two, paragraph three. So this is my OUD, right?
Yeah.
So they want us to hyperlink this OUD to the bookmark. So where can I go? Where can I click if I want to bookmark?
And
Where do I go if I want to bookmark?
I think insert.
Insert. Okay. So under insert, then I have what? Bookmark, right?
Yeah.
Then we have link. Okay. So once I click on bookmark, I have what? Bookmark name OUD. Then I'll click on what? Add. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if I want to go to my bookmark and I happen to be at, let's say, the first page, okay, I'll go to home, then I'll come to my editing group. Then within the editing group, under the find drop down, we have go to. Then I come to bookmark, then I'll look for what? OUD. I'll hit on go to, boom, then it will take me to my bookmark OUD. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So task two, has it opened? Has yours opened?
Task. Oh, damn.
Has yours opened? Your
Yeah.
geometrics, is it working?
Yeah.
So you've seen task one, right? Have you seen task one
Yeah.
from your end?
Yes.
So I want you to do it. I want to take you through the first 5 tasks.
Okay.
So what we just did, I want you to do it at your end. Then we go to task two. So let me know when you finish with task one from your end.
Yeah.
Is it done?
No.
Okay, so what's the challenge? So you find the OUD, you select it, you go to insert, you hit on bookmark. You want me to take you through one more time?
Say it's the laptop that's freezing, right?
The laptop is slow. Okay,
It's
don't worry.
freezing.
It's frozen.
Yes.
Okay, so don't worry. When it comes back up, then you can continue. Okay, so don't worry about it. So let's look at task 2 here. Are you watching?
Yes.
So on the second page, convert the table to text and separate the data by tabs. So on the second page, I have my table, which falls under contributors to the shape of modern guitars. So I'll select my entire table. So I've selected a table. So what do I do next? If I want to convert this table to text,
And you go to insert.
I go to insert. Okay, I've already selected a table. Okay, I go to insert. Then what do I do again?
Then under the table,
Uh-huh.
you go to, I don't know, you want to convert from table.
Uh-huh.
Okay, then click on the contextual tab.
Aha! You are now talking. So the contextual tab, we have the table layout, right? So
Yes.
within the data group, then we have what? Convert to what? Text
Yes.
option. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So I'll hit on convert to text. Then we separate the data by tabs. So this is my tabs option.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll hit on OK. Now it's been converted to text. Let's look at a third task. Insert a continuous section break at the bottom of the first page. Insert a continuous section break at the bottom of the first page. So how do we do this? Insert a continuous section break at the bottom of the first page. So I'll navigate to my first page, and this is the bottom of the first page. So if you don't know where the bottom is, you can use the show hide paragraph marks. Then you can see that, okay, this is the last line. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So where do I click to insert that continuous section break? If I want to insert a continuous section break, where do I click? Where do I go? Mhm.
Okay. Layout tab.
Layout tab. Good. So under the layout tab, I have what? The page setup group, and I've got the breaks.
Yes.
Then I go through and select continuous, which falls under what? Section break. Boom, it's inserted. So that is done. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So I'll turn off my show hide, then it's off. The
Okay.
fourth task, in the list located on the first page, replace the bullet for the text OUD with a graphic guitar located in the Gmetrics template folder. So we are being asked to customize the bulleted list here. Okay.
Okay.
We are customizing the bulleted list. So how do we do the customizations? By changing the bullet list from what we are seeing to a graphic, which is located in our Gmetrics template folder. So what should I do in this particular situation?
You have to select the bullet list.
Aha. So the drop down for the bullet, then what do I do? Uh-huh.
Okay.
Where should I go? Can you see?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So I've selected a drop down. So Duke, where should I
Yes.
go?
Define new
new
bullet.
bullet.
Aha, define new bullet.
Yes.
Now I'm looking for a picture, and the picture is on our system, which is what? From a file. So now I'll need to browse to my geometrics. So my geometrics template is here. Now my guitar is there. I'll hit on insert, I'll hit on OK. So now the customization has been done and we can clearly see the bullet changed from that O to the guitar picture. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now task 5, apply the simple frame black style to the solid body electric guitar graphic on the first page. Okay, so we are to apply this to the guitar. So this is our guitar, and we want to apply a picture style. So I've selected the picture. What do I do? Why do I go? Why do I click? Yes. Why do I click? Why do I go? Mhm.
Contextual.
Okay, so the picture format. Uh-huh. Then what's next? Yes.
Okay.
What is next?
Then we go to
Come again?
pic-
Just that.
is it picture style with picture?
Okay. So the picture styles group, and I'm looking for
Yes.
what? Simple frame black. So I need to concentrate on my black. Moderate, compound frame, double frame black, thick matte black. So I found my simple frame black, which is on the fourth column and second row. Is it okay? Boom.
Yes.
So now that is that. So when you finish with all the tasks, then you click on Grade Project. Does that make sense? So when you're
Yes.
doing the practice test and you finish with all the tasks, then you click on Grade Projects. But in the actual Microsoft exam, you won't see Grade Project. You will see Submit Project. And when
Okay.
you're doing the exam, you don't need to spend more than 1 minute, 30 seconds on a task. When you read a question and you know what to do, it shouldn't take you more than 1 minute, 30 seconds to complete it. Okay?
Okay.
So if you are
Yes.
spending more than 1 minute, 2 minutes on a task, it means you are just wasting time. So just move on, okay, to the next task. Then you can later come back to it when you finish with everything. Does that make sense?
Good.
So if for one or two
Yes.
reasons you can't figure out how to do task 5, then you hit on mark for review. Okay. So at the end of the exam, you get the opportunity to go back to the ones that you've reviewed to spend all the time that you want to get the task right. But don't spend all the time on the task when you begin the exam. Is that okay?
Okay.
Mm, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'll hit on Grade Project. Then it should move me to the next stage. Okay.
Okay.
Now project 2 of 7 will come. Blah 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 blah. So I just want you to know how to use the interface. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what we need to do is to try and figure out how to uh, make your systems pick that.
Okay.
So maybe after this lesson, after you've left the stream, just update me if it's working. Okay.
Yes.
So what we need to do now is to you restart your computer. Okay. Restart your
Okay.
computer, sign into Gmetrics again, then start continue with the test. You are using Duke's account. So
Yes.
just use that account because I don't want you to waste the attempt. So use Duke's account to complete the first practice exam 1. And when you finished,
Okay.
then you can take that exam again under testing mode, where you are required to complete all the project within 50 minutes. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Aha. So update me on that, okay? And let's see how it
Okay.
goes. So just drop a message into the WhatsApp group. Okay. So
Okay.
bye bye. So try and complete this one, all the seven
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
projects. Okay. Bye.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome, Duke.